Hello students, today I am going to discuss oxidation reaction that is known as Fedizon oxidation. If you see what is this Fedizon oxidation, it is a mild oxidation of alcohols into carbonic compounds in refluxing benzene using silver carbonate absorbed on silicate as an oxidant. This is known as Fedizon oxidation. And here you see the oxidant silver carbonate over silicate is often called as Fedizon reagent. And this Fedizon reagent is a mild oxidant and usually oxidizes 1,4-diol, 1,5-diols and lactol into lactones. Hence, this reaction is also known as Fedizon cyclization. Means it is a mild oxidizing agent which can convert alcohol to corresponding carbonyl compound. That is, if we take primary alcohol, it will be oxidized to aldehyde, and if we take secondary alcohol, it will be oxidized to ketone. Similarly, it can also oxidize 1,4-diol, 1,5-diol and lactol into lactones. Hence, it is also known as Fedizon cyclization. So here you can see the reaction. So this is alcohol to carbonyl compound oxidation. Means here if you take primary alcohol, it will be oxidized to corresponding aldehyde. If you take secondary alcohol, then it will be oxidized to corresponding ketone. Similarly, if we take 1,4-diol, then it will be oxidized to corresponding lactone. Means if I take 1,4-diol, then we are going to get gamma lactone, and if we take 1,5-diol, then we are going to get delta lactone. And suppose if we take lactol, it is an hemiacetal, then it will be oxidized to corresponding lactone. So these are the important reactions of Fedizon reagent, which is a mild oxidizing agent. And how this Fedizon reagent is going to oxidize alcohol to carbonyl compound, here is the mechanism. The first step, what happens is lone pair present on the oxygen will attack silver, will be chemo absorbed, and it is going to form a corresponding cation and anionic species. And after formation of this cationic and anionic species, what happens is there will be proton transfer. Means here this proton will be get abstracted and we are going to get this intermediates. And here what happens is this silver is going to get inserted in between this alpha carbon and hydrogen. Means insertion reaction will take place between CH. There is insertion of this silver between the alpha carbon and alpha hydrogen. So we are going to get this species, and here what happens is there will be reductive elimination. Means this pair of electrons will abstract this proton and this bonded pair will shift here. Hence there will be loss of H2CO3, means carbonic acid, and we are going to get this species, and this step will be called as reductive elimination. Finally, this is going to lose silver and leads to the formation of ketone. So this is the mechanism of Fedizon oxidation. So this Fedizon oxidation has an advantage, that is the reagent can be simply removed by filtration. So whatever silver carbonate silicate we are going to use as a mild oxidant can be simply removed by filtration. This is the assay of oxidation by Fedizon reagent. Means if we have allylic or benzylic alcohol, it will be get oxidized in preference to secondary alcohol. if we have secondary alcohol and primary alcohol, the secondary alcohol will be oxidized over primary alcohol. So this is the order assay of oxidation of alcohol by Fettizon reagent. Hence we can call this Fettizon reagent a chemoselective reagent. So here is the example. You can see here it is an allylic alcohol, this is a secondary alcohol, and this is primary alcohol. So if this compound is treated with silver carbonate over silicate, then it is going to chemoselectively, it will oxidize allylic alcohol. Means here you can see this allylic alcohol has been oxidized to corresponding ketone. So hence it is a chemoselective mild oxidant. And here is one more example. Here you see this is secondary alcohol, this is primary alcohol. If it is treated with silver carbonate over silicate in refluxing benzene, then it is going to oxidize only secondary alcohol, and this primary alcohol will not be oxidized. And here in this example you can see this is an amiacetal group and this is secondary alcohol, so this is more reactive, so this will be get oxidized. And here you take one more example. Here you have two secondary alcohols. So if this compound, this diol 1,2,3 diol, if it is treated with silver carbonate over silicate, then only one of the alcohol will be get oxidized. So here you can see this secondary alcohol has been oxidized and other secondary alcohol is not affected. And if you see this example, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1,5 diol. If it is treated with silver carbonate, we know that it is going to form delta lactone. So how it is going to form delta lactone is, these two are primary alcohol. So as we discussed in the previous example, that is if we treat this compound with silver carbonate, only one of the alcohol will be get oxidized. So among these two are primary alcohols. So one of the primary alcohol will be get oxidized to aldehyde. Then this lone pair of electron will shift here and it is going to form lactol. Okay. And we know that this lactol will be further oxidized by silver carbonate over silicate to lactone. So this is how 1,5 diols will be get converted into lactones. And one more important reaction is, if we have two secondary alcohols, this Fettizon reagent is going to oxidize only less hindered OH group. Means here this OH and this OH, these two are 2-degree alcohols, and if we do oxidation by using silver carbonate over silicate, then it is going to oxidize only less hindered. Here this OH group is hindered, whereas this is less hindered, so hence this OH group, this secondary alcohol will be get oxidized. So these are the important things regarding Fettizon oxidation or Fettizon reagent. Thank you.